If you only pay attention to the news, you might be thinking that now is not the time to file an immigration case. And I'm here to tell you that you are wrong. And unfortunately, the media is leading us astray. They're making people feel like the immigration situation is absolutely hopeless and you shouldn't file your immigration cases. Everything is being denied, but that is not true. And that's why I created this segment to share our wins every week. What are real cases with real results that are being approved? At Whitaker Legal, we have a really high approval rate, over 99% for our core cases. And that has not changed even under this administration. We're still filing new cases and we're still getting work permits and green cards for our clients every week. So what I want to do in this segment is share with you a real case where a client won their permanent residence, and my goal is that it gives you some hope that now is the time to file your immigration case, because it's better to have something filed and pending than have no protection at all. So the case of the week is for someone named Liliana. That's not her real name. I changed it for the purpose of this video. But Liliana is from Central America. She came to the US when she was only 10 years old with her parents. She did not enter with inspection. She entered crossing the border illegally with her parents. She was a minor at the time, and because of that, she was eligible for DACA. And she applied for DACA 10 years ago. It was approved, and she's had DACA ever since. She was a dreamer. She had her work permit, but as you might know, DACA is not a path to a green card or citizenship. Eventually, she married a US citizen and they have children together. But even if you marry a US citizen, if you entered without inspection, without a visa, or without being inspected by an immigration officer, you don't have many options. She could have been eligible for the perdón, where you leave the US for your interview, but that was a little bit riskier for her. And with her DACA, she had a particular option. She was eligible to apply for advanced parole through DACA. And advanced parole is permission to leave the country and re-enter with inspection. So she did that after consulting with us, and that cured her issue of not having a valid entry to be able to adjust status through her US citizen husband. It wasn't a terribly long process. In fact, she was able to do the whole process in less than 2 months. She applied for her advanced parole. Once it was approved, she traveled back to her home country and re-entered with advanced parole, contacted us right away to do adjustment of status, and her green card based on marriage was approved in only 8 months. So in less than 2 years, she went from being a dreamer with DACA, no options to get a green card or US citizenship, to now she has permanent residence, security in the US. She can work, she can travel freely without any issues, and because she's married to a US citizen, she's eligible to apply for citizenship 2 years and 9 months after the date that she was issued her green card. So congratulations to her. If you're in a similar situation or you just want to know what your options are as far as immigration, give us a call. We represent clients all over the country, so it doesn't matter where you live, we can serve you and help you understand what your immigration options are. Give us a call.